Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel Educarte. And in today's video we are going to do exercise 1.6. So there are total 3 questions and all of them are having 4 subparts. So firstly, first question it has 3 subparts and these questions are about the power. The power which is negative or in the form of 1 upon. See, let me give an introduction. A to the power 1 by n into b to the power 1 by n. So it would be ab to the power 1 by n. Okay? And one more can be used here according to question. Yes, according to question, if like a to the power 1 by n, so it would be nth root of a. For example, it is a to the power 1 by 2. So it would be square root of a. Just like this. So these two properties are only getting applied over here. Yes, one more also. A to the power minus n equal to 1 by a to the power n. Like minus symbol, to remove the minus symbol from the power, you just have to reciprocal. Okay? Yes, so I have removed this. Now we continue with our first question. First question, it is a 64 to the power 1 by 2. This is first question, first subpart. So it would be square root of 64, which we all know is 8. And next one, it is 32 to the power 1 by 5. So, this is second one. This is first one. First question. Yes. So 32 to the power 1 by 5. It would be 32 fifth root of 32. So we all know it will be 2 because 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 2 is 16 and 16 into 2 is 32, which is now power 5. Now next question, it is 125 to the power 1 by 3. This is third subpart. So we all know 125 is the cube of 5. 5 cube to the power 1 by 3. So 3 would be cancelled by 3 because in bracket and out bracket, the powers which are getting separated by bracket always get multiplied. So it would be 5. Our answer is 5. Now let's come to our next question. Let me erase this all. Yes. Second question. First subpart. Second subpart. Third subpart. And over here, fourth subpart. So firstly, I'll write the questions. 9 to the power 3 by 2. 9 to the power 3 by 2. 32 to the power 2 by 5. 32 power 2 by 5. 16 power 3 by 4 and 125 power minus 1 by 3. One 125 to the power minus 1 by 3. Now if I solve this, it would be like 3 square into 3 by 2. This would be our power. So 2 get cancelled. 3 cube we know is 27, which is our answer. Now this one, We know the fifth root of 5, 32, which is 2. Now 2 to the power 2, it would be 4. Now this one, 16 to the power 3 by 4. Firstly, fourth root of 16. Fourth root to the power 3, which is 2 to the power 3, which is 8. So we have got our answer 8. Now this one is a long question. 125 to the power minus 1 by 3. What can it be written by? Like it can be written by 5 to the power 3 to the power minus 1 by 3. Because 125 is the cube of 5. Yes, so what would it be? 3 get cancelled. 5 to the power minus 1. 5 to the power minus 1, I have told you, it would be reciprocal of 5, means 1 by 5, which we have got our answer. Yes. Yes, now we will come to our question number 3. Question number 3, it is 2 to the power 2 by 3 into 2 to the power 1 by 5. Dot is multiply symbol. Okay, in higher classes you will study that this dot is used as multiplication symbol. One by 3 to the power 7. And next it would be 3 cubed to the power 1 by 7. Now next it is 11 to the power 1 by 2. 11 to the power 1 by 2 and upon 11 to the power 1 by 4. Now fourth one. Yes. So now we will solve it. 2 to the power 2 by 3 into 2 to the power 1 by 5. We know that when two bases are same, power will be added. So it would be 2 to the power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. It is 2 to the power 15 common. 5 3 the, here 3 5 the 10. So it would be 2 to the power 13 upon 15. Now this one, 11 to the power 1 by 2 divided by 11 to the power 1 by 4. When divide symbol is there and the bases are same, so power will be subtracted. So it would be 11 to the power 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 is 1 by 4. So 11 to the power 1 by 4. Now this one. It would be like 1 to the power 7 is 1 and 3 cubed to the power 7 is 3 to the power 21. So it would be 1 upon 3 to the power 21. And it is 1 upon. So we can write it as 3 to the power minus 21. Because minus 21, if you convert it to 21, it would be this only. So our simplified answer will be this one. Now fourth question. See, the powers are same, so the bases will be multiplied in this question. So 7 into 8. I told you the identity, no? A to the power n multiplied by b to the power n, it is ab to the power n. So 1 by 2. It would be 56 to the power 1 by 2. We have got this answer. Now our whole exercise is completed. In next video, I'll continue with my next exercise, which would be 1.7. Till then, bye bye. See you all in the next class.